Hey, Roy here. Today I'm going to do a little something to the bike. I'm going to replace the tension line on the tour pack, so follow me while I do that. Here is the touring pack. We're going to open it up, show you what I'm talking about. So through the Haboob storm the other day, I actually was out riding in that storm, and one of the things that happened is this touring pack got blown open. I've since replaced this handle with a stronger one that has a wider bar here and then a little bit stronger handle. Also replaced the hinges and strengthened it where it was weak back here. So all that works great, but when the wind grabbed this tour pack and ripped it open, it broke this retraction wheel, and you see the plastics broke right there. I actually took a wire, wrapped the line around it, and tied it so that I could still use it to hold the lid up here, but now I have a new tension line, so I'm going to replace that. To start, first thing you got to do is remove the backrest to the touring pack. Mine's held on with 3 bolts, one on each side, one in the middle here, and they're a 13 socket. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those bolts out, or nuts off, excuse me. So I got the liner pulled back and I got these loosened up. So there's the first one, second one, third one. Now then this cushion just comes right off, as you can see. We'll set that aside. And then if we come around to the other side, then there's 3 screws that hold that part of the line, 2 screws that hold this part. And if you see here on the new one, 3 slots for screws there, 2 slots for screws there. So you line this up like so, and that's actually how it sits, with this little pointy thing going down when the lid's open. I know it looks a little funny if you were to have this lid closed and try to decide the orientation on here, but that's why there's only 3 holes. This one holds it together, those 3 secure it onto the lid, and then those 2 secure this part, and then that sucks the line back in as you close the lid. So once this is all out, try not to let your lid just flop open so you don't break your plastic. You know, keep a hold on to it. Got it? Okay. This one is not the $40 Harley-Davidson one. This is the $16 Amazon one. But hey, apparently they break enough. I don't know if I want to be spending $40 every single time. And actually, I think I'm going to use these same bolts because they're a little bit stronger than the ones that the $16 ones sent me. Oops. I'm going to change that bit back out if that's what I'm going to do. I can see it, then I'll tighten them up. Oh gosh darn hickin' it. Seem to be really good at dropping stuff today. That one, and we don't want our strap to be twisted. Come up here now for this. I'm going to put the liner back. And yes, I know I got to pull it back for the bolts, but when I put this on, I want it to be on the other side of the liner, or at least in the hole. You know, see the strap on the inside of the liner, not in between the liner and the lid. Alright, there's our new line. Holds the lid open like so. Retracts itself when the lid closes. And then we just got to put the cushion back on. Like I said, I got to pull this back there in the middle for those bolts. You gotta get that. And these bolts move, so I found it a little easier to put the edges, the ends on first, each corner, and then get your middle one. I didn't tighten that one up all the way yet. I'm gonna get the middle guy first. And these don't need to be hella tight. They got that nylon insert. They just need to be good and snug. So this is actually my third line since I bought the bike. The first one, I don't know if it was broken when we got it or if it broke the first time we opened up the lid. But it broke, and then my first service I actually paid Harley to put this one on, and then that haboob storm took it out because my latch was stupid. But I've since rebuilt the whole pack pretty much. It's got new hinges, new latch, and now a new retention line. One thing I thought was a little odd, maybe not odd, but because it's expensive, but whoever had the bike before, they got the saddleman seat, but they didn't get the saddleman back cushion. Maybe it's not a big deal, but one of these days I might surprise the missus with a nice saddleman back that matches the saddleman seat. See if she likes it better. What do you think? So you can see the finished product. Open this up. There's our new retention line. Opens up to there. You see we're on the outside of our liner. Got a nice straight line down to where there, and then as it closes, it sucks the line back in like it's supposed to. There's the lid. Here's the latch. Like I said, over here I do actually have new hinges back here too. It opens a lot nicer than it used to. I don't know. You probably can't see it in the video, but a lot happier with this pack now that I rebuilt it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.